Welcome back to the podcast, everyone. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mark. In our last episode, we talked about being brave and speaking English without fear.
Today, we're moving forward with something very practical: how to build English speaking habits that actually work.
Because motivation is great, but habits are what really change your English long term.
Exactly. Many learners study a lot, but don't practice consistently.
That's why small, daily habits are more powerful than big, irregular study sessions.
Let's start with the most important rule. Your habit must be easy.
Yes, if it's too hard, you won't do it. 5 minutes a day is better than 0.
For example, speaking English for 3 minutes every morning.
You can talk about your plan for the day, your mood, or what you did yesterday.
Another great habit is setting an English time every day.
It could be during breakfast, your commute, or before bed.
Your brain starts to expect English at that time.
And consistency builds confidence automatically.
Let's talk about habit stacking, connecting English to something you already do.
Like brushing your teeth and thinking in English at the same time.
Or listening to English podcasts while walking or exercising.
This makes English part of your lifestyle, not extra work.
Another powerful habit is daily speaking, even if you're alone.
Yes, read aloud, describe your surroundings, or record voice notes.
Listening to your own voice helps improve pronunciation and fluency.
Don't forget reflection. At the end of the day, ask yourself one question in English.
What did I learn today? Or what was difficult today?
Short answers are fine. The goal is using English.
Also, track your habits. A simple checklist can be very motivating.
Seeing progress keeps you going.
And if you miss a day, don't quit.
Just continue the next day. Habits are about progress, not perfection.
Yes, one sentence today becomes confidence tomorrow.
People often underestimate how powerful small actions are.
But small actions done daily create big results.
If you say one sentence every morning, that's 365 sentences a year.
And those sentences train your brain to think and respond in English naturally.
Don't wait for the perfect time or perfect situation.
There is no perfect moment, only the moment you decide to start.
English doesn't improve from thinking about speaking, it improves from speaking.
And remember, your accent is not a problem. It's part of your identity.
Clarity matters more than sounding like a native speaker.
Communication is success.
So promise yourself this: use English today.
Not tomorrow, not next week, today.
Say one sentence, make one mistake, learn one thing.
That's real progress.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
We're proud of you for showing up and practicing.
Keep going, keep speaking.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, just keep using English.